Flagship phones come with a hefty price tag, and foldable phones raise that already high price even higher. While the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold hasn't seen a price increase from its predecessor, it's still hard to see a price tag of $1,800 or around $28 million as a bargain. Nevertheless, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a slick foldable phone, bringing a lot of upgrades and novelties from its predecessor that make it worth picking up. Here are 7 of them. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is equipped with an 8-inch inner display with an OLED panel and a resolution of 2076 by 2152 pixels. The display offers over 16 million colors, deep blacks, and a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Supporting HDR and a maximum brightness level of up to 1800 nits, this display is perfect for watching movies or playing games. Not only one, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold also has one more screen on the outside. This second screen measures 6.3 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2124 pixels, an OLED panel, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The Gemini AI digital assistant on Pixel 9 Pro Fold integrates Google's AI capabilities by utilizing the full potential of the latest Tensor G4 chipset. This processor enables Gemini to deliver advanced multitasking features that seamlessly adapt to users' personal and professional needs. Some examples include displaying details of invitations in Gmail, helping plan events by creating lists and reminders, and suggesting nearby bakeries via Google Maps. Pixel Screenshot stores, manages, and studies items in a screenshot, making it very useful for students and office workers. For example, users can take a screenshot of a meeting presentation, and Gemini will create a title like Third Quarter Sales Meeting and summarize key points such as revenue targets and deadlines. Unlike Microsoft's Recall feature, Pixel Screenshots is much more secure as Gemini only processes screenshots stored on the device. Call Notes is another new feature that stores a personal summary after the user has finished a phone call. This feature allows users to retrieve information that was discussed during the call, such as appointment times, addresses, or other numbers to call. When activating Call Notes, details and transcripts are securely stored in the user's call log. This feature operates only on the device for security, and the caller is also notified when this feature is activated. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold carries 3 rear cameras consisting of a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto camera. Not only that, Google has also enhanced the software capabilities of this HP camera to ensure more real photos with better contrast, exposure, color balance, and shadow details. The telephoto camera supports optical zoom up to 5 times and super res zoom up to 20 times, making it perfect for taking photos from a distance. Pixel Studio is another new add-on feature powered by Google's AI and offers a unique image generator feature. Powered by a diffusion model from Tensor G4 on the device and a text-to-image model from Imagen 3 in the cloud, Pixel Studio can turn users' imaginations into images with customizable styles. Google said that this feature requires an internet connection to work. Satellite SOS for Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which competes with Apple's Emergency SOS, which is only available on iPhone, offers the same function. When out of signal range, users need only press the satellite SOS button to fill out a questionnaire describing the user's emergency. Once done, the user will be connected to an emergency service provider for text-based communication.